back with Elite Squad. Also, it's kinda overvalued. I started over. It's because I'm recording on my other phone. Yeah. So yeah, now you know. It's really hard. Guys, Elite Squad is so hard. Ow. Hey. I need to hide so that they will not see me. So that what? Where? Oh! Oh no! Bro, help me, guys! Guys, no! Ah! That was painful, bro. Wait. I smell something. Oh! Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, guys, help me, hey, help me, bro, help me kill them. Oh no. Oh no, guys. Oh no, bro, stop this. The monsters that kill me every time. Oh, box already. Oh, big monsters. No, please. Big. You're so big, no. But no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, guys. I smell something fishy. Yes. Run for your life. Run for your life. Run for your life. Run for your life. Run. Oh no. Oh no. This is even worse. Oh. Bro. Oh no. Oh no. I need to go him. Go. Oh, what do you think you're doing? Bro, what do I do to get it? Never mind, let's just stay here. Let's just stay here so that they won't get us. That's it, let's go! Let's go. Oh no, I need to get to the chopper. But this is too hard, guys. Help me. There's a lot of monsters. Help me, guys. Oh no, I'm gonna die. Let's go, bro. What's this? I need to live. Let's go. Yes. Oh no, my other teammate. Seems like my other teammate didn't make it. Just go, bro. Go. Hey, zombie, yay, you're finally back. Hey. What the hell happened? I think he died. Yeah, he died. Zombie, bro. Bro, go, zombie. Bad bro, zombie, let's go. So we can finally go and be free. That's it, bro. Bro. Yes. What the? I managed to make it, but oh, zombie, you're so annoying. You die always. Just go. Let's wait. Let's not complain. Alright guys, bye bye. I can stop.